Hey everyone! Depicter got a big update, and in this video, I'll quickly walk you through all the new features, one by one. Let's jump in. You can now create interactive surveys to collect data from your visitors right inside Depicter. AI lets you remove image backgrounds with one click. No extra tools needed. A new panel to easily manage and reorder your slide elements. Change images on hover. Perfect for product showcases. Add an Add to Cart button directly into WooCommerce sliders. Supports AJAX too. With the new trigger, simply hovering over a slide will activate any assigned action. Highlight discounts with built-in sale badges for your products. Show or hide pop-ups and bars based on user login or language. Trigger any action when a form is submitted, all through the Submit button. That's everything new in Depicter. Try them out and let us know your favorite. Ciao!